What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by AUTOBAHN. My name is Martin, and today I'm taking a look at this urban Audi RSQ8 by LCE Performance with their turbo upgrade kit with 800 horsepower. It's a blue Audi RSQ8, a fantastic color if you ask me, especially with all the carbon urban parts. It looks quite gangster chic, let's call it that. Big fat urban wheels, 24-inch 24, that's insane. We got the steel brakes behind that, 3-part side skirt right there, another big fat wheel. Then we got the dual spoiler kit from Urban, one at the top and one at the middle, because you need that downforce with this Audi RSQ8. No, you don't, but you know, it looks cool, you know, it's part of the look. Okay, then we have a turbo upgrade. Not much to see here, which is not what you'd expect when looking from the outside. So we have two big fat turbos, new intercoolers, downpipes with catalytic converter, so it's not like, it is seriously loud but not like way too loud. It's right on that limit, I'd say. 800 horsepower, and that's because it's actually a 900 horsepower kit for the R6, but the intercoolers, they don't get to work the way they do with the R6, and that's because of intercooler positioning, surface area, blah 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 blah. So you have a little less power. Start her up. Beautiful interior, cognac interior. Really great match with the blue exterior. I'm just going to do this the quickest way possible. I've had a long day. RS2 mode, ESP Sport, yeah, there we are. Manual for the gearbox. Can't see my rev counter, but also can't see my speedo, which sometimes comes in handy. That is a proper sound. Oh! Big fat 4-liter V8. I mean, you have to admit, the sound that comes from this engine is just 10 times better than the sound you get from like an X5M.
But before we hit the Autobahn, fall is in full swing, and now is the perfect time to cozy up at home with a mobile game that you can really get stuck into. Enter Raid Shadow Legends. It's got some of the best graphics around, brutal boss battles, deep tactical gameplay, and literally hundreds of champions for you to meet, including new mythical champions. A step above legendary champions, and these new mythical champions have a very special new mechanic called Metamorph. Kind of what I used to really want to do with cars. Whoa, I just turned this BMW into a Ferrari. And speaking of transformations, have you seen the new mythical champions in Raid Shadow Legends yet? They are basically two champions in one, and they change between forms with unique metamorph skills. You can summon them from the brand new red primal shards in the portal. Also, you've only got until November 10th to delve into Raid's haunted graveyard for a chance to win some awesome in-game items and even real-life prizes. Simply download Raid Shadow Legends using the links below, copy your in-game player ID, and then head over to raidyard.plarium.com until November 10th and start digging, as you'll be in with a chance to dig up some amazing in-game items and real-life prizes, ranging from epic and legendary Halloween-themed Raid champions to Amazon gift cards with a total value of $20,000. With all this exciting stuff and more coming to Raid, if you haven't started playing yet, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description or scan the QR code to get insane bonuses available only through this link. We are talking epic champion Drake from the Lizardman faction and other useful things like energy refills, skill tome and XP booster. Oh, and there you get that
wastegate sound, that whoosh. Because the turbos don't need all that air when you go off throttle. I mean, that's really, really good. We do have to keep in mind that we do have the steel brakes, and they don't like this elephant going around corners at speed, because they are the ones that have to catch all that weight. So if you do a lot of Autobahn driving, or if you want to attack some corners with your Audi RSQ8, really go for the ceramic brakes. It's great that Audi offers that option, because on an X5M you cannot get the carbon ceramic pancakes, which I think is a shame. Really limits the car tuning wise and dynamics wise. Have to be careful at this bit. Oh, but the sound down low, you don't have to go fast with this car to enjoy it. It is so nice. Just put it in a gear too high and enjoy that torque, enjoy the sound. Oh, fantastic. And then those upgrade turbos spool up and you're just gone. So let's see what this thing will do on the Autobahn, because it sounds very, very promising. So before we hit the Autobahn, I'm just going to change my dials. I'm in RS2 mode, so you get the ugly new dials, but if you go to settings, right there, virtual cockpit, you can go for the more classic looking ones. And since I am a junior grandpa, I like that. Oh. I think this package sound-wise is the sweet spot. I mean, we've had louder RS6s and Audi RSQ8s, but this for me isn't completely antisocial, and it sounds freaking insane in a good way. So 100 to 200, a high 7, which is very, very capable. Well, as you can see, it is quite fast. Now, as I said, they also offer this package for the Audi RS6, and the intercoolers work better with an Audi RS6, so you get 900 horsepower. And I promise you guys, I will also test that car later on. Little kick down, and gone you are. That little whoosh is so nice. I do like the fact that with the urban exterior package you don't get any noises. So if you do 250 or something like that, you won't get like a whistle or, you know, weird wind noises you get with the more cheaper variants of a body kit. Not going to out anyone, but Max has seen a ton of those. So maybe we can get a bit more space on this side. I do have to say, the 24-inch wheels, you really have to love the looks, because every little bump turns into a jolt in the interior. Not really that great if you ask me, but you know, if you like the look, if you really want that bad boy Audi RSQ8, then just go for them. It is rush hour. It's 5:30, so don't expect any miracles speed wise. Just want to showcase what it can do. Ugh. And we cannot lean on the brakes, we cannot stomp on the brakes, because they are steel and I can feel them vibrate if I do that for too long. now it picks up. This is an elephant, and it's doing this. The air suspension though, magnificent. It works miracles, considering how much tire we have. So it's a little too busy today, guys. Very impressive package from LCE Performance for the Audi RSQ8. As I said, we are also going to test their Audi RS6, which has 100 horsepower more, carbon ceramic brakes. It's much lighter, so I think we can do a bit of high speed with that. For now, thank you for watching. See you at the next one.